Okay.
Okay. First of all, who watched the video?
Not me.
Me.
Did you watch the
Few
video?
times. Wallah.
It's okay,
Yes,
Miss.
and few
Anyway,
times.
I'm going to start now. But first, before we start, I want you to
Look
remind
my
me.
fraction. It's
I want you
fractions.
guys. Hi. How are you? Yeah. Guys, before we start, I want you to do something. Okay? I want you to do something. You will see in the chat, okay, a link. I want you to press on the link and answer. Okay?
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
عرفت.
Okay,
miss.
Yeah, just a second. صار اليوم إن الإنترنت شكله اليوم عندي الإنترنت منه كتير ستيبل. Anyway, yeah.
بس لليوم بعتتنا اللينك بس ما زبط.
يلا we will see. أنا هيدا أول يوم هالقد الإنترنت بيكون بعذبني. عم يعطيني إنه unstable. يلا. Okay. So you told me that no one of you have watched the video, right? So you don't know our lesson is going to be about what? So do you know our new lesson is going to be about what?
fractions.
It's about fractions. Yes, it's about fractions.
Decimal.
No, fractions. غنى and فرح were correct.
Fraction.
Let us see.
بس وين اللينك؟
يلا. Almost.
مبين.
يلا. هي فتح.
مش
يلا ready? Yeah, miss 1 second. 1 second.
Yes.
Okay.
بس لحظة ينجي.
يلا, this is the link. You will see it in the chat. To all of you. Yeah. Press on the link, please, and answer.
Okay. ماشي. Miss, what's something about fractions?
Write something, anything that you have learned.
Okay. Something about fractions.
Yalla, silently. I can see your answers, okay? So write anything. Write anything that you know.
ماس
نعم.
أنا ما عندي خلوني فوت على الفيلم.
بلا, press on the link. Just answer, huh? Did you answer or not yet?
I answered.
بس
Yeah, miss something. Okay.
أيوة.
Sign up.
I can see some of you have answers.
Sign up.
بس مش عم يكتب عندي. بس مش عم
بلا
يكتب
بلا عم يكتب يا miss.
عندي.
Let you see what's happening.
مش عم يكتب نقطة.
Look what's happening.
كتبت واحدة بس ما كملت.
Did you see your answers? Who answered 33?
بس مش عم يكتب نقطة.
بس
يا مس ما ضروري يكتب نقطة، خلص انت write something,
مش
write
بيكتب
one word.
نقطة.
بس كتبت 3 انا. يعني بدي اكتب 3 بوينت ابسط النقطة ما كانت هتنحط.
ليش 3.3 it's a fraction.
بس لا مش 3.3 بدي احط مثلا رقم بوينت كذا رقم. كتبت 3.
ايه ليه بدك تحط point؟ شو البوينت؟ the decimal is a fraction. I told you to write something about fraction. حدا قال لي they give us decimal. That's the correct answer. They give us decimals.
Miss, I write it.
Good, excellent. And someone said numerator and denominator. That's perfect also. Excellent. So those were your answers, okay? So today we are going to learn new things about fractions, okay? I want you to pay attention now. You can all mute yourself. Okay, mute yourself, please. I'm not going to mute you. Yalla, mute yourself and get ready to our new lesson. So today, so you didn't mute yourself yet. ليه؟ خلص يعني بعملكم أنا mute بتبطلوا تقدروا تعملوا unmute. يلا يا حسن، يلا يا حسين.
بس بنال
Yes.
ما عم بتكمل عندي الكتابة.
خلص ما بيأثر، ما بيأثر يا حسين. يلا mute yourself. I need to start. غنى كمان mute yourself. All of you. Yeah. So as I told you today.
أنا كتبت دوني ونايت.
Miss, please خلص. I need to start. So as I told you today, I'm going to start with a new lesson. It's also about fractions. Today we are going to learn a new term in fraction, which is the equivalent fraction. So today we are going to learn what's the meaning of equivalent fractions and how do we multiply in order to get an equivalent fraction, and how do we simplify a fraction, and at the end we are going to compare like and unlike fractions. Okay, so those are our objectives. So first of all, let us define what's the meaning of equivalent fractions. I want you now to sit straight very well, stop moving, okay, and focus very well, okay? So as I told you, we are going to learn about equivalent fractions. What's the meaning of equivalent fractions? Why don't we say equal fractions? Why do we say equivalent fractions? You have to know that equivalent fractions are fractions that don't have the same numerator and they don't have the same denominator. So the numerators are and the denominators are different, but they actually express the same amount. They show the same quantity. Look at this figure. In this figure, we have two circles. The first circle, it's divided into 4 parts, and we colored 2 parts out of 4. So actually we colored how much of the circle?
2 parts.
What's the meaning of 2 over 4? If you look at the circle, half. Bravo, ya miss. It's half the circle. So we colored in the first one half the circle. In the second circle, we divide it into 8 parts, but we colored only 4 parts out of 8. But we actually colored how much?
half.
Also half the circle. So in the first circle, we colored the half, and in the second circle, we colored the half. But in the first one, we colored 2 out of 4, and the second one, 4 over 8. Are the numerators of the two fractions the same?
No.
Are the denominators the same?
No.
So they are not equal. So they are not equal fractions, right?
Yes.
Because they don't have the same numerator and the denominator, but they actually express the same amount in the circle. Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree that we colored the same amount in the circle? So those two fractions, they express the same amount. So that's why we call them equivalent fractions. So what's the meaning of equivalent fractions? They are fractions that show or express or color the same quantity. Is it clear? So did you understand what's the meaning of equivalent fractions? So equivalent fractions are fractions that name or show or express or color the same amount. Let us take another example, which is about the pizza. And of course, you will all get this example because it's about pizza. So if you look at the first pizza, it's divided into how many parts?
One.
In the first pizza, it's divided into
One.
how many parts?
Number two.
One half.
ما عم تسمعوا سؤالي. It is divided into how many parts?
Two.
Two parts. Two parts. How much did we eat? How much did we eat? Sorry.
One.
So we ate one part out of two. So one
Yes.
left, right?
Yes.
So half the pizza is left. Do you agree?
يا
the
مش
second-
فيك ترجع تعيدي عشان ظهرون بالزوم.
بس عم نقول انه باول بيتزا باول بيتزا we divided it into two parts. اكلنا نصها وبقي نصها. صح؟
صح.
So نصها للبيتزا it's actually one half. One half the pizza is left. If you look at the second pizza, we divided the pizza into four parts. Do you agree?
Yes.
And we ate two pieces out of four. But two pieces out of four are actually half the pizza. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
In the third figure, we divided the pizza into 8 pieces. And we ate 4 pieces out of 8. But actually, even if we ate 4 out of 8, but it's actually half the pizza. Do you agree?
Yes.
So all these drawings, they express half the pizza. So we say that 1/2, 2/4, and 4/8 are equivalent fractions. Why they are equivalent fractions? ليه بنقول عنهم equivalent fractions?
Because they have different denominators and numerators, but they give the same amount.
Excellent. So they give the same amount. Okay? So they give the same amount. They express the same quantity. Any question about this?
No.
No.
Okay. So now I will teach you how do you make the fractions equivalent. So if you have a fraction, for example, 6/7, how do you find another equivalent fraction for this fraction? How do you find? I'm going to teach you now. How do you find equivalent fractions, okay? To find equivalent fractions, we actually do two things. We either multiply or divide. In this lecture, I'm going only to teach you how do you multiply. So now we are going to learn how do we make equivalent fractions. So the first step or the first way to make equivalent fractions is to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So you have to do what? What's the action that you are going to do?
We put times.
Multiply. What's the action that you need to do?
We're gonna multiply.
Multiply. Very good. So we are going to multiply. Multiply what? The numerator and the denominator.
numbers.
Both of them. Both of them, you are going to multiply them. The numerator and then denominator. By what number? Number?
Number.
Any number from your choice. So you choose the number that you are going to multiply. Let us take an example. So if I have 2 over 3, what do you need to do? What's the action that we said that we are going to do?
Multiply.
Multiply the numerator and the denominator. Both of them we are going to multiply them. Multiply them by what?
2.
By any number from your choice. Choose any number to multiply. Any number.
5. 6.
5. 5.
7.
Okay, so we are going to multiply both of them by 5. What's 2 times 5?
10.
10.
What's 3
10.
times 5?
15.
15.
15.
So now I got a new fraction, which is 10 over 15. And we say that 10 over 15 and 2 over 3 are
Equivalent.
equivalent fractions.
Equivalent.
Okay, so what's the action that you need to do?
Multiply. Multiply.
By what?
Numerator.
Multiply the numerator and the denominator
By what?
by the same number of your choice.
The same number of our choice.
Very good, Yamis. Okay, now I will let you see why when you multiply those fractions, nothing changes. Okay, look at the first example. The first 2 examples are done for you, and the rest you are going to do them. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So first of all, we had the fraction, which is 3 over 5. We multiplied the fraction by what?
By 4.
By 4.
By 4.
Okay? So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. What did we get? We get
12 over 20.
12 over
12
20.
over 20.
Let us see if 3 over 5 expresses the same amount as 12 over 20. If you look at the first box, okay, did you see the first box?
Yes.
Into how many parts it's divided?
3.
5.
5. So it's divided into 5 parts. How many
Yes,
of them? How many of them are colored? 3.
3.
So we colored the 3 out of 5. Very good.
Yes.
Let us look at the second box. Into how many parts it's divided? Count them. Count them.
5.
Yeah, miss.
20.
20. Count them. 1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
2,
5,
3,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I'm counting. 17, 18, 19, 20. So how many pieces?
20.
20.
How many of them we colored?
12.
12.
12.
So we colored 12 out of 20. Do they express the same amount? Look at the boxes.
No.
We actually colored the same amount of the 2 boxes?
No.
كيف no يا مس؟
No.
كيف
Yes.
no؟
Yes.
Yes.
طلعوا فيهم منيح. نحن هون لونا هالقد وهون لونا هالقد، يعني تقريبا as if we colored the same amount.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So that's why the 2 fractions we say that they are equivalent. Another example.
It's easy.
We had 2 over 3. We multiplied them by 3. So what did we get?
6
over
over
9.
9.
Excellent.
6 over 9.
6 over 9.
If you look at the 2 boxes, did we color the same amount?
Yes.
Yes.
Of course, right? So we say that 2 over 3, it's equivalent to 6 over 9. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Very easy.
Okay. Sometimes we would do this. We had the fraction, and there's something missing in the second fraction that you need to do, that you need to find. So look, how do you think? You ask yourself, what's the number, or how did the 3 became
Miss, I
9?
know.
بس ما بدي حدا يحكي. It's my turn. How did the 3 became 9? How did the 3 become 9?
We make
Miss, we multiply it with 3.
multiply 3 by
Yes, we
3.
multiply 3 by 3.
So we multiplied by 3. The same
Yeah.
thing that we did for the denominator, we have to do for the numerator. So now what's 2 times 3?
6.
6.
It's
6.
So the number that we are trying to find is 6. So as if we
6.
multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 3. Okay? Is it easy?
Okay. Yes.
So
Easy, very easy.
now I want you all to mute yourself and I'm going to choose you one by one to answer them. Okay? Yalla, mute yourself, please. Okay, I'm going first to choose. Let me start from the Yusuf.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla, Yusuf. So we have 4 over 9. Okay, what do we have? 4 over 9. How did the 9 become 36? How did the 9 become 36? كيف صار 9 صار 36؟ بشو عملنا لها multiply؟
Multiply by 4.
By 4. So what do I need to multiply the numerator by?
4.
4. So what's 4 times 4?
4 times 4 equal 27.
4 times 4?
Oh no, 16.
16. So the numerator should be
16. Teacher, you mute yourself. Teacher?
I know, miss, I know. So we multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4. Thank you, Yusuf. يلا. Now I want علي رضا حمود. علي?
Yes, miss.
يلا يا miss. Now it's your turn. So here we have 5 over 8. It's equal to something over 72. What do you need to multiply? Or how did the 8 become 72? How did the 8 become 72? علي شو اللي بضربه ب 8 بيعطيني 72؟ علي 8 times what بيعطيني
8 times 9.
برافو يا مس. 8 times 9. So I need to multiply 5 by 9. ما هيك؟ The same number. So what's 5 times
Okay.
9?
45.
برافو يا علي. So the answer is 45. So we multiplied the both of them by 9. Thank you علي. يلا هلا علي حمود.
Yes.
هاي علي.
Hi.
يلا يا علي. 2 over 7, it became something over 21. How did the 7 become 21?
7 times 4.
7 times 3.
Oh,
Okay, so I need to multiply 2 by 3. What's 2 by 3?
2 times what?
2 times 3 is how much?
2 times 3 is 6.
Very good. So the number is 6. So we multiplied both of them by 3. Thank you, Ali. هلا علي حسوس. علي حسوس.
Yes.
يلا يا علي. So another example كان في عنا 6 over 7 it became something over 63. Okay?
Yes.
How did the 7 became 63?
6 times
7 times أول شيء 7 times شو بيعطينا 63
7 times
7 times
9.
برافو يعني كمان بدي أعمل 6 times 9 what's 6 times 9
63. No.
6 times 9
6 times 9, 54.
54 so the answer is 54 يلا هلا علي حسين
Yes, miss.
يا علي 7 over 8 it's equal to something over 24 how did the 8 become 24
I can't see the screen. It's still on the previous. Oh, now it came.
okay
8 times 3.
bravo so also I need to do 7 times 3 right
Yes.
what's 7 times 3
21.
excellent يا علي very good yeah now it's غنى محفوظ's turn
Yes.
غنى so here I have 1 over 8 it's equal to something over 56 how did the 8 become 56
What?
the 8 became 56 كيف شو عملنا لها times
Times 6.
times 7 صح
Yes.
so I need also to multiply 1 by
What 8?
يا مس انت كنت معنا بالدرس نحن قلنا هون بنعمل times 7 يعني هون كمان لازم اعمل times 7 by the same number in both of them what's 1 times 7
7.
7 that's it okay so نفس النمبر اللي بنعمل له multiply للdenominator كمان لازم نعمل له multiply للnumerator so both of them we multiplied them by 7 مش الحال غنى
Yes.
يلا حسين كساب
Yes, miss.
يلا it's your turn
Miss Freeman, but
يلا يا حسين
2 times 5.
so what do I need to do
1 times 5.
which is
5.
thank you حسون
Miss Freeman في عمل.
يا مس ما أنا عم بمشي بالألفابيتيكال أوردر ليه عم تعملوا ضجة؟ غنى وفرح فاضل
Yes.
يلا يا غنى وفرح both of you so here we have 3 over 10 equals something over 40 what did we multiply? Yes, times 4 so what's 3 times 4
12.
12 excellent so this should be 12 مش 21 okay so this is 12 very good غنى and فرح so we multiplied both of them by 4 excellent يلا هلا حسن أرعوني
Yes.
يلا يا حسن
7 times 5.
برافو يعني 2 times 5
10.
excellent so we multiply by 5 برافو هلا بعد حسن حسن دايخ
Yes.
يلا يا حسن so عنا 5 over 6 equals something over 36
6 times 6.
excellent now what's 5 times 6
5 times 6. 30.
برافو يا حسن excellent يلا لمار
Yes, miss.
يلا 4 over 9 equals something over 81
9 over 9 times 9 equal 81.
then
So 4 times 9 equal 36.
Excellent, Lamar. يلا تالا.
Thank you.
Yes.
يلا تالا. 7 over 9 equals something over 72. 9 times
9 times
what's the number you multiplied by 9 to get 72?
9.
9 times 8. Okay, so we need to multiply this by 8. What's 7 by 8?
7 times 8 equal
56. اوكي تالا. يلا بعتي عنا يمكن هادي صح؟ هادي
Yes.
يلا يا هادي. هادي 7 over 10 equals something over 60.
7. 10 times 6.
So 7 times 6 is how much?
7 times 6. 42.
42. Excellent. So you all got turned, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So that was our lesson.
أنا عامل ميوت.